si Bishop Nonet ini. Bishop Nonet. Francis.
Ayan, klaro. Oh. Oh. Klaro. So,
aton bisita. Dako nga oportunidad ang paghatag ni importansya.
Guest of honor, the Apostolic Nuncio to the Philippines and Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, who serves as the official representative of the Holy Father, Pope Francis, who has been a source of inspiration and a symbol of church commitment to peace, compassion, and dialogue. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome His Excellency Archbishop Charles John Brown, the Vatican's ambassador to the Philippines, with a warm round of applause.
Thank you very much. I am delighted and very happy. Please have a seat, everyone. As the representative of Pope Francis to be here in Palapag this morning, this historic morning in which we celebrate the beginnings of the Catholic faith in northern Samar. I'm deeply grateful to your Honorable Mayor for having organized this wonderful reception, to the Vice Governor, to the Congressman, to all the civic officials who have gathered here for this glorious and wonderful morning. When we look at this building here, the facade of the original church, we can think of all the people here in Palapag who prayed in that church when it was no longer ruins as it is now, but was a beautiful living building. But according to your wonderful mayor, hopefully the national government will give us some funds and this can be converted into a museum to remember the faith of the original Christians here in northern Samar. When we think about the people who came before us, we should be filled with great gratitude, because the gift of Catholic faith, which is the most beautiful gift that we can have on this earth, has come to us because of the fidelity, that means the faithfulness, of those who went before us. Your ancestors here in this very place. Your grandparents, great-grandparents, and their great-grandparents going all the way back to the very beginnings of the faith here in northern Samar.
Guests, visitors, and friends. As we conclude this historic visit of His Excellency the Papal Nuncio to our parish of Palapag, we express our deepest gratitude for the blessing of His presence.